Good morning everyone, I'm DH Umair. This is my second assignment on computer networks and the topic is going to be types of routing protocols. I'm My US number is 1VE22CF400. I'm guided by Mr. Nandakumar K. Coming on to the first topic, we're going to be coming on to the index. Um, First, the contents of the video are going to be introduction. Then we're going to be looking at interior gateway protocol versus exterior gateway protocol. Then we're going to be looking at distance vectoring routing protocols, then link state routing protocols, path vectoring routing protocols, and then we're going to be coming on to the last part, it's going to be the conclusion. First, coming on to the introduction to the topic. Here we will be discussing the different types of routing protocols used in computer networks. Routing protocols are responsible for determining the best path for data packets to route from source to one destination. There are many different types of routing protocols with each of its own strengths and weaknesses. The launch of routing protocol depends on the size of the complexity of the network as well as the specific needs of the organization. So routing protocols are very important as they make sure that how data travels, it prevents congestions, it helps in efficient data transfer, it also can be tailored to the specific needs of an organization or an institution. Coming on to the next topic, that is going to be interior gateway protocol versus exterior gateway protocol. Interior gateway protocol is used within a single autonomous system. As an autonomous system is a collection of network under control of a single administrative entity, that is such as an institution or an organization. Exterior gateway protocol are used between different autonomous systems, for example between organizations, or between institutions, or between organizations, institutions and public networks, where they can be routed by a singular gateway. The two main types of routing protocols are interior gateway protocols and exterior gateway protocols. IGPs are used within single autonomous systems, while EGPs are used within different autonomous systems. As AS is a collection of networks under control of a single administrative entity. For example, a company's internal network would be considered as AS. The internet is made up of many different ASs that are interconnected by EGPs. Coming on to the next topic, that is going to be distance vector routing protocols. Distance vector routing protocols use a simple algorithm to determine the best path to a destination. Routers share routing information with the neighbors, including the distance to each destination network. Routers update the routing tables based on the information they receive from the neighbors. The process continues until all routers have converged view of the network. Distance vector routing protocols are simple and efficient way to route traffic in small networks. However, they can have problem with slow convergence and counting to infinity loops. Some common distance vector routing protocols include RIP and IGRP. Coming on to the next topic, that's going to be link state routing protocols. Link state routing protocols are more complex than distance vectoring routing protocols, but they offer the fast convergence and better loop avoidance. The common state link protocols are OSPF and ISIS. So link state protocols are complicated and more sophisticated code, which helps prevent the drawbacks which distance vectoring routing has, which offers it is faster, convenient, and avoids loops, providing and doesn't have any problems or buffering issues. Next, link state routing protocol use more complex algorithm to determine the best path for a destination. Each router has a complete view of the network topology and knows the cost of each link. Routers calculate the shortest path to each destination network and share their routing tables with their neighbors. The process continues until all routers have converged view of a network. Next topic is going to be path vectoring routing protocols. So path vector routing protocols are more complex type of routing protocol, but they are essentially for routing traffic between different autonomous systems. The broader gateway protocol is the most common path vectoring protocol. So path vectoring protocol is a more algorithmic complex routing protocol which is usually used to manage traffic between two autonomous systems. These autonomous systems are a part of a broader pool of systems called the Broader Gateway Protocol, and this is the most common path vector routing protocol in the world. So path vector routing protocols are used to route traffic between different autonomous systems. Routers share routing information while the neighbors, including the path each destination network has as their originated path. Routers use complex algorithms to select the best path to each destination network, taking into account factors such as policy and cost. Coming on to the last topic, and in the end, we are going to talking about the conclusion of this topic. So there are many different types of routing protocols, which each of its strengths and weaknesses. In this presentation, we have discussed the different types of routing protocols. Routing protocols are essential for keeping computer networks running smoothly. By understanding different types of routing protocols, we can make informed decisions about what protocol is right for us and the network we are using. The choices of the right routing protocol depends on the size and complexity of the network as well as the specific needs of the organization. So there is no broad term for a type of protocol which is required for which can be encompassed by each and every organization, and by depending on this we are able to reduce the traffic flow, increase efficiency of the network. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe the video.